Discipline is a fundamental concept that is essential to leading a successful and fulfilling life. It refers to a set of rules, regulations, and principles that an individual follows to achieve a particular goal or maintain a certain standard of behavior. Discipline is necessary in all aspects of life, including personal, social, and professional domains, as it helps individuals to develop self-control, self-esteem, and respect for others. The importance of discipline can be traced back to ancient times, where it was seen as a crucial element. In professional life, discipline refers to the set of rules and regulations that individuals follow to achieve career success. It includes being punctual, maintaining a professional demeanor, meeting deadlines, and showing respect for colleagues and superiors. Discipline in professional life helps individuals to develop a strong work ethic, improve productivity, and achieve career goals. It also helps in building a positive reputation in the workplace and developing strong professional relationships. Discipline is important because it helps individuals to achieve their goals, maintain healthy relationships, and lead a successful life. It instills self-control, self-discipline, and self-motivation, which are essential qualities for success in any aspect of life. Discipline also helps in developing a strong work ethic, which is necessary for achieving career success. It promotes a sense of responsibility and accountability, which leads to personal growth and development. Furthermore, discipline helps individuals to overcome obstacles and challenges that they may encounter in life. It promotes resilience, perseverance, and determination, which are essential qualities for achieving success in the face of adversity. Discipline also helps in developing good habits and breaking bad habits, which leads to a healthier and more fulfilling life. In conclusion, discipline is a crucial element in achieving success and leading a fulfilling life. It plays a significant role in all aspects of life, including personal, social, academic, and professional domains. Discipline instills self-control, self-discipline, and self-motivation, which are essential qualities for success in any aspect of life. It also promotes resilience, perseverance, and determination, which are necessary qualities for overcoming challenges and obstacles in life. Therefore, it is essential to cultivate discipline in our daily lives and use it to achieve our goals.